it's B. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe if you like this video. My red nails have really grown out, so it's time for a new pedicure. I start off by removing the old gel, cutting my nails and removing the cuticles. Now just clean off any cream and file off all the edges. Time for nail prep, so the gel has something to stick onto. Now do the base coat and cure for 60 seconds as always. For the color base, I chose Wild and Mild 015. Since the color is quite pigmented, I added 2 coats for every toe. I'm not sure where they came from, but these little bumps I'm just filing off. For a cleaner look, always remove anything that goes to the skin. For the smaller toes, I'm adding this sparkly pink Sincero Salon color, and it's in tone Flamingo 784. I wanted to add something extra for the big toe, so I chose these little butterflies. And of course, something sparkly between the butterflies too. Now I just add 2 layers of top coat to these big toes, just to make sure that these butterflies don't fly away. Stay healthy and hydrated. Cheers!